Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the widget app on your device. So let's get started. So basically, if you have downloaded an external widget app, you have to allow and you can use and made a customized theme in it. But in on my device Samsung, you can just make your customized widget here. Okay, so just press onto the device. Okay, then click on this widget, and from here you can see I have many widgets. For example, I have chat gpt widget. I have four types of chrome widget, as you can see, the chrome dino and other things. So you can just add it in your also if you want to. And basically it is very easy to use. Just click on chrome dino, tap on it here like this, and you can play dino and do many things on the app. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.